In this video, we will see how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs like this. Keep watching. First, I will delete this image to show you. To insert the image, go to Insert option. Under the Insert option, you will see Image. You can select any source of your choice. Here, I will select Search the Web. So here we have images of parrot. I will click on one image. Then click the cursor where image is to be inserted, then click on insert and the image will be inserted. Now you can see that the size of image is very big. You can reduce the size of this image simply by doing like this. Now you can see that the text is not wrapped around an image right now. To wrap text, click on the image and select the second option, wrap text, and the text will be wrapped around an image. You can also again resize the image and the text will wrap around the image automatically. You can also move the image directly like this and the text will keep wrapping around the image. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new updates when I release the new video. Thank you.